Oh,
It's doing
finally,
it.
Anthony. Oh, it's pretty. That's Miss.
And what else?
That's not missing.
I know.
That's it? You just have to
Brooke, wave at the camera. You got a big head. I'm going to show you the thing when I'm over.
Well, maybe because you scrolled in.
You got it.
Fuck no, man. I kept calling to see if I needed to come get him. They said no. I kept calling to see if I needed to come get him. They said no. But they had to do a bunch of, Brooke said they had to do a bunch of tornado drills because of all the tornado warnings. They're still wanting effect until 4. I was watching that shit. It was so bad. And it sounded like fucking, it sounded horrible in here. I was fucking scared. I woke up because I heard this big old fucking bang, and then it was like, it sounded like it was rolling, and it sounded like a fucking train was driving by. I'm like, what the fuck? And I look out, and it was just fucking storming bad, and I was like, oh my god. And then I seen the news,
You
and
ready?
it was saying tornado warning, and I'm like, oh my god, they're just hitting everywhere. And then, I guess like just the severe thunderstorms, people's houses were like destroyed.
Oh, where was that? Ready to
Oh.
Did you forget that I told you that, or you just had to get confirmation from her?
flooded. It looks like a lake. I'm doing a video.
I told you that.
Me
This
too.
morning I said, don't take
Whoa.
that. There's no way to get through it.
Water.
Oh, we're right here. I know. I know you're smoking. I know it's bad.
I don't care.
Nope. Yeah. She said that her truck almost drowned. Her truck is fucking smoking bad.
Whoa.
She went the other way. I had to wait for the trailer park.
Whoa.
Mm-mm.
Holy moly.
Crack-a-poly. Mom, your car is almost down.
Ray, I'm going to send you this video. That is just a lot of water.
Oh, Brooke, we won't be able to ride our bikes.
I just want to see how flooded it
Oh.
is.
Because you just do.